The first real-life footage of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra has just surfaced, and it's creating massive excitement among Samsung fans. The leaked video gives us our very first look at a fully working Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, the true successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and one improvement steals the spotlight instantly. Samsung appears to have made an incredible breakthrough with the display crease, making it dramatically less visible than ever before. The footage showcases the Fold 8 Ultra in everyday use, including video playback, smooth folding and unfolding, and multiple viewing angles. From every perspective, the phone looks like a major evolution over the Fold 7. According to a highly reliable supply chain insider, this is a finalized production unit, and it looks unbelievably slim while delivering a display that feels cleaner, flatter, and more premium than any previous Galaxy Fold. The overall design remains familiar, but Samsung has refined nearly every detail. Interestingly, reports suggest this Fold 8 Ultra is actually the device originally planned as the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8, while Samsung's regular Fold 8 is expected to become a wider foldable. Competing with devices like Huawei's latest foldable and Apple's rumored foldable iPhone, Samsung already impressed everyone with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 by making it thinner, lighter, and reducing the crease compared to the Fold 6. Now, the company has pushed things even further. In the leaked footage, the crease is almost impossible to notice unless the display is viewed from very specific angles under bright lighting, a huge achievement for foldable technology, and this could be just the beginning. If Samsung brings bigger batteries, an invisible under-display camera, and more upgrades to the Galaxy Z Fold 9, it could dominate the foldable market for years. Samsung's biggest surprise may have just leaked. A brand new image has surfaced online, allegedly giving us the first ever live look at the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8, and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Could Samsung's next generation foldables have been revealed ahead of schedule? The leaked photo, shared on Reddit, reportedly shows all three foldable phones standing on display stands inside a smartphone retail store in South Korea. According to the person who posted the image, a friend working at the store confirmed that the devices are genuine Samsung units. That said, there's still a chance they could be high-quality dummy models prepared ahead of the official launch. Whether they're real phones or display units, the image appears to reveal Samsung's final foldable designs long before the big announcement. Earlier this week, leaked press renders also showcased every color option, making these devices look more real than ever. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 series are expected to arrive with faster processors, improved battery life, and several exciting upgrades. Is Samsung's biggest foldable reveal already out in the open, or is there still one final surprise waiting at Galaxy Unpacked?